Dumbo, I think Finding Neverland is still going around the world. Well, you already saw Captain Hook in the picture. Simba, I don't know what to do. Simba, shut up, Dumbo. You shut up. Hey, don't speak like that. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? We swim, we swim. What do we do? We swim, we swim. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm melting. I'm melting. I can't believe what I'm seeing this. The Wicked Witch of the West is melting right before our eyes. Yeah, Simba, I don't know water could destroy the Wicked Witch. I am the most powerful witch of all, and I've been destroyed by a little girl. Dorothy, you should not throw that water on me because I'm melting! You cursed rat! Now look what you've done! I'm melting! I'm melting! Oh, what a world! Oh, what a world! Who would thought a nice little girl like her could destroy my beautiful wickedness? Ah! Just don't say I'm melting, okay? Don't say I'm melting, okay? What are you doing right here, Simba? Dory, you're from Finding Nemo, and I don't know why you're on ice. Of course I'm on ice, Simba. Even you were on ice long ago. Come on, Dory. I'm Simba. This is my girlfriend, Nala. What's going on, Simba? Come on, Nala. You gotta save it for the rest of the video, okay? I know I'm gonna be CG and a real cat and voiced by a different child actress. And Bambi's gonna be CG. You thought that live action version of Bambi is gonna be animated. Not necessarily. No. I'd rather see it with real animals, Simba. Oh, Marie. I don't know what to do with you. You gotta save it for the rest of the video, Marie. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Do we swim, we swim. What do? We swim, we swim. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swim. What do? We swim, we swim. What do? We swim, we swim. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Swimming, 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 swimming. Dory, just don't sing that song. It's stuck in my brain now. Just don't try me. Or something like that. Strength into me. Strange things are happening to me. Ain't no doubt about it, Marie. Are you saying that song from Toy Story? Are they gonna do it in Disney's remake version of Pinocchio? Well, Marie, you are a sad, strange little kitten. You have my pity. Farewell, and I'll see you later. Chesty. Ha! Look, Marie, you're not wearing a shirt! Hey! My chest is all covered in fur! I'm not Minnie Mouse! Okay, Chesty. Get a shirt on. I would rather stay shirtless because I'm not wearing a shirt, Nala. Gee, no bra means consequence, Marie. I told Mickey Mouse I will not become his toilet paper when he sees Finding Neverland on Broadway because Snow White doesn't come until next year. The live-action version of Aristocats don't come into a few years until the movie was filmed. Well, they'll announce a trailer for the live-action Aristocats. And they'll announce a trailer for the live-action upcoming Bambi. What? You know who Bambi is, Marie. Bambi is an orange deer. Like Nemo from Finding Nemo. You know Becky's eating a cup, Marie. Dumbo! 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 Dumbo, 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 Dumbo. Don't call my name out, okay? Just don't, okay? Marie. A breast will still a blood congeal. Now I will be the fairest in the land. Or something like that. Why did Simba's Uncle Scar wanted to kill Simba and let Nala become his queen? You know, Dumbo, my uncle's a murderer! Like Captain Hook! You can't just say Captain Hook was a murderer in Peter Pan, Simba. Just don't call people murderers, okay? Including your uncle and Captain Hook. Marie, who's Captain Hook? You know Captain Hook's from Peter Pan. He is missing a hand. Look, I know who Captain Hook is. He's not a nice pirate. When you say he's a mean pirate, Simba, he's a mean pirate. You know Captain Hook is from Peter Pan, Simba. There's no way you could survive from decapitation like Dumbo did, Simba. Or survive by getting hanged like Pinocchio did. Screw you, Marie. I'm Simba. Look, I may be a zombie right now, but I'm also a ghost. But most eventually, Marie, Nala keeps my spirit alive and well. What's going on, Simba? Oh, what if you just talk to my girlfriend, okay, Marie? Oh, and remember, don't tell her she's not wearing a shirt. And don't tell her she's gonna get a skirt and some underwear. Same as to go to me, Simba. I won't tell Nala that. Just don't. So Simba said, if you wanted to wear some underwear and a skirt, Nala, just like me, you just have to be like Minnie Mouse, Simba. And he told me you're shirtless. But you told Simba not to say that, didn't you, Marie? What? No! I didn't say nothing of the sorts. I'm not Pinocchio, Nala. I'm Marie. I'm from Aristocats. And you're from the Lion King. Well, there's also a musical called Aristocats Kids, and Jungle Book Kids, and Cruella Kids, or even Maleficent Kids. But who else would have been an anti-hero from Disney? Anti-heroes are good, but in a very bad way. Like the Beast from Beauty and the Beast. The Beast is a prince, Marie. Gaston really wanted to kill the Beast. It's more like Scar really wanted to kill Simba. Looky here, Nala. Get a bra on. I needed a bra too. Wait, what? Marie, our chests are all covered in fur since he's gentle with Blue from Blue's Clues. As a SpongeBob. And he's also gentle with cats as an anti-clown doll. Look, Nala. I know what his future looks like in his. Gentle with Blue from Blue's Clues with her light blue ears, tail, face, neck, paws, legs. Maybe he'll put stitches around Blue's neck. And he'll be gentle with Sky from Paw Patrol. Look, Marie, don't get too much Nickelodeon stuff, okay, Marie? Okay, Nala. Look, Marie, it's okay if we're shirtless. I mean, look at Dumbo. He only wears... Yeah, I know, he wears a shield around his ears, and easily he wears a bow tie. I thought Dumbo has a yellow hat and a red circus theme collar. Well, he only has pink. He only has a pink hat and a blue circus theme collar, Nala. Dumbo has stitches around his neck. There's no way your friend Simba could survive from decapitation. And Scar really wanted you to become his queen. How many times do I have to tell you this, Marie? I told Scar I will not become his queen. Why not? Because I told Scar I will not become his queen. Why not? Oh, you tell me why, Marie. When I told Scar I will not become his queen, he wanted to kill my friend Simba and be the rightful king of Pride Rock. You said... Wait, what? Did Scar really kill his own brother but failed, almost succeeded? But Marie... I know Simba's father is already living inside of him the whole time. I know that Simba's father, Mufasa, is like Emperor Zurg. You're thinking of Buzz Lightyear's father, Marie. I can provide sleep sounds if you like. You're not Socks the cat from Toy Story. You have several options. Ocean Paradise, Summer Night, Whale Calls. No, Nala. White Nose is fine. Whoa. I wish I can do better than that. Summer Night, Ocean Paradise, Whale Calls? No. White Nose is fine, Nala. Very well, Marie. Maybe I should have done better next time, Nala. Simba's uncle was a murderer. There's one apparent reason Simba's uncle, Scar, I don't know. Simba has come to face with his uncle, Marie. Well, I sound childish now. I used to be an adult, And I was like, Simba! By the way, Marie, I think his video's too long on his phone, Marie, since he saw Lion King on Broadway.